In this video, we will demonstrate the post-op knee exercises after a total knee replacement surgery. Do each exercise 3 times per day. Start with 10 repetitions each and progress to 20 repetitions. You should start these exercises before your surgery and then resume them the day after your surgery. The first exercise is called quad over roll. While lying on your back in bed, place a 5 to 6 inch large roll under your knee. Keep the back of your knee touching the roll. Then tighten the muscle on the top of your thigh and lift your foot off the bed to straighten your knee. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower your foot back onto the bed. The next one is called heel slide. Wrap a belt around your foot. Hold the ends of the belt in your hands. While lying on your back in bed, gently pull on the belt to bend your knee and slide your foot towards your hip. Then release and straighten your knee out. Now you are going to stretch out your knee while lying down. Place a 2 to 3 inch soft roll under your ankle. Lay on your back in bed. Then tighten the muscles on the top of your thigh and press the back of your knee towards the bed. Next, you will work on straightening your knee out while sitting in a chair. Sit in a good chair with good posture. Slowly lift your foot off the floor to straighten your knee as much as possible. Now slowly lower your foot to the floor. Lastly, you are going to work on bending your knee when sitting in a chair. Sit in a chair with good posture. Try to bend your operated knee as much as you can. When it stops bending on its own, cross your unoperated leg in front of your operated leg. Then apply extra bending pressure with your unoperated leg. Remember to do each exercise 3 times per day, 10 to 20 repetitions each. It is important that you continue to do these exercises until you see your physio at your post-op assessment.